ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ, ನಾಡಿಗೆ ರೈತ, ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ತಾನೆ. ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ, ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ, ಅವನೂನು ಅನ್ನದಾತಾನೆ. ತಪ್ಪು ಸರಿಯ ತಿದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮಬುದ್ಧಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ತ ಶುದ್ಧಿಯಾಗೋ ಹಾದಿ. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಮರಿಬೇಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇರು, ನಿನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದುವೇ ಆದಿ. ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ 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 ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ.
Hi Mridula.
Hi Ashwini.
Greetings to all. The most awaited day of the year has finally arrived.
Yes, 14th of November. It's the day when we celebrate Children's Day.
It's a day when we celebrate the spirit of childhood, the essence of innocence and reflection of God.
You know, Angela Schwendt once quoted, "While we try to teach our children all about life, they teach us what life is all about."
We truly are thankful to God for this precious gift in the form of you, dear children.
This day is dedicated to children to commemorate the work and love put in by our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
He shared a lovely bonding with children as they reciprocated by giving him the title Chacha Nehru. The famous quote of him, "The children of today will make the world of tomorrow."
Let's work together to achieve his dreams.
Hey, I was recollecting the memories associated with the Children's Day celebration.
Yes, it's a day when the teachers do their best to make their children feel blessed and special.
We start the preparations months ago. We plan a series of interesting and exciting events meticulously.
The Children's Day program usually begins with an assembly, where teachers step into the shoes of our students and conduct the entire program, right from reading the newspaper, giving thought for the day, significance of the day, and followed by a power-packed program.
Due to this unprecedented pandemic situation, we are forced to celebrate the Children's Day through virtual platform. We all miss the fun and togetherness badly, don't we?
Terribly. No matter whatever the reason be, we will never disappoint you, dear children.
Hey, we have another reason to add on for this celebration. Any guess?
Yes, Surgunani School celebrates its 25th year Silver Jubilee with a milestone of significant achievements.
The corridor of the school ringed the cheer and joy as they witnessed the glory. The journey which began in the year 1997 made the headway to the ladder of achievements.
The children are the precious gift sent from the heaven, so you deserve the best ever possible. On your special day, we look forward to share some incredible moments together. So what's the delay for?
Now I would like to invite Deepa ma'am to carry forward the program. We wish you a happy Children's Day.
God speaks to those who take time to listen, and He listens to those who take time to pray. On this auspicious occasion, let's invoke God's blessings by a prayer song.
Yeah. connect with the God. Thank you, teachers. One tree can start a forest. One hand can lift a soul. One candle can wipe out the darkness. A true leader can inspire others to dream more, learn more, and do more. We have amidst us one such leader. Let me welcome our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Tanya, to address the students.
Respected parents, dear teachers, and my loving children, I wish you all a joyful Children's Day. This day is significant in the life of a child because who reminds the elders their duties towards the children. On this day, we honor Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, who fought for children's right to education. He says, children are like buds in a garden and they should be carefully and lovingly tended, that they are the nation's future and tomorrow's people. Childhood is the nursery of the future man. A nation without children is like a body without a head. As we commemorate Children's Day, we remember every one of you with a love and gratitude to God for your unique gift to us. I feel blessed to serve the future of the nation. In your smiling faces, I see hope. I see a brighter tomorrow. That is the reason Jesus said, truly I tell you, unless you change and become like a child, you will not be enter the kingdom of heaven. According to the Holy Bhagavad Gita, we must believe in order to have hope. According to the Holy Quran, hope is that God will direct you to the finest possible end. Dear Iranians, you are capable, gifted and talented. Make your abilities to become more creative and productive. Identify skills and put them to good use. Set your goals and opportunities are knocking at your door. This day serves as a reminder of the great responsibilities that we, the management and teachers, have towards you. At this time, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the dedicated teaching faculty who work tirelessly to mold our students into responsible citizens and valuable contributors to the nation. Dear children, you should be proud of your parents, teachers and society as a whole. Once again, I wish you all a happy Children's Day. Thank you. God bless you abundantly.
Thank you, sister, for your enlightening words.
Hello everyone. Childhood is about innocence and playfulness. It is about joy and freedom. Happy Children's Day to all my dear students. You are so special. The dreams of today are going to define your tomorrow. Always believe in your dreams and work hard for them. May all your dreams come true. May God bless you with success, happiness and joy always.
Hello dear Iranians, wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Albert Einstein said, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of mind to think. So when you wake up in the morning, think, what new thing will I learn today? And before going to sleep, just think, what new thing I have learned throughout the day? The most beautiful thing about learning is no one can take it from you. God bless you all.
Each one of you is extremely special and we love you, dear children. To make your day more entertaining and memorable, here I present before you a troupe of energetic teachers to dance their hearts out. Sit back and enjoy.
Langama devatena, Guru pema පෙමක පැටලෙනා නුවනාරී මනහාරී සුකුමාලි නුඹ තමා හිත ළඟම දැවටෙනා ගුරු පෙමක පැටලෙනා නුවනාරී මනහාරී සුකුමාලි නුඹ තමා මැණිකේ මගේ හිතේ
कंगना 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 झुमका 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 पायलिया पायलिया छनक छनक के बोले छनक छनक के बोले ओ बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल गोरे गोरे गालों पे है काला काला तिल बड़ी मुश्किल बाबा बड़ी मुश्किल दिल पे अटक जाए आशिकों का दिल जरा बच के रहना चलिए जरा बच के रहना चलिए मेरी अदा भी है काबिल रोमियो रोमियो कल के रोमियो भोली शक्ल वाले सारे के सारे परे पियो रोमियो रोमियो भाड़ के प्रेमियो काहे गले पड़े हो बिन बुलाए बारातियों ले तो गई गले जा संग में हमें भी ले जा ये तो चोरी पे है सीना जोरी कभी लगे मोनालिसा कभी कभी लगे लोलिता और कभी जैसे कादम्बरी हाय न परम 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 सुंदरी हाय मेरी परम 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 सुंदरी सर से पैर
That was indeed awesome. Dear teachers, now I welcome Pooja R of class 10 to share her memories of Rania's Children's Day celebration.
It's time for splashing fun, cheers and jolly time for everyone because it's Children's Day. Majority of our childhood revolves on school days. Being a part of Swargarani school for past 12 years, I have a gallery of memories to cherish. We all would wait for Children's Day as we could relieve ourselves from uniform and wear out our outfit on this day. We are treated as heroes. Teachers usually call off their classes and conduct cultural programs. We cheer our teachers and the auditorium will be buzzed with excitement and joy. Sweets are distributed and various games are conducted for us. The celebrations end with a blast of entertainment that could remain etched in our memories forever. Children's Day is not only celebrated for fun, but it also reminds us the vision and mission of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Chacha Nehru as we fondly call him. He wanted every child to live a good life and become well educated. Let's all keep up his ambition. Work towards making a bright India in future. Thank you.
Thank you, dear, for the wonderful memories that you have treasured. Music is a therapy. It is a communication far more powerful than words, far more immediate and far more efficient. Our music teacher, Mr. Justin, is going to draw the strings of our hearts and add his soothing voice to cherish our soul with a beautiful song.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Oh, I see you every time. And oh, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, yeah. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. They say, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Oh, I see you, see you, see you every time. Oh, I like your style. You make me wanna cry.
Thank you, Justin sir, for gifting us the sensational song Dance Monkey.
Dear children, your presence turns our school into a temple of learning. Your presence turns home into heaven. Your zest for learning has transformed us as educators. For all of this and more, with the grace of God, we have wonderful children like you. With these, I wish all my dear children happy Children's Day. Stay blessed and stay healthy.
Russell Brand said, when you focus on what's important, it becomes irrelevant what other people think of you. There is always going to be people who dislike you, badmouth you, and create noise. But focus on yourself, not others. Enjoy your childhood. Happy Children's Day to all my dear children. Thank you.
Dear children, you are the little angels of God. May the innocence of your smile, purity of your heart stays forever, and carry the hope of your brighter future by spreading love, joy and light for others. Happy Children's Day. Stay safe, stay blessed.
Mute your audio, turn on your video, unmute and answer. These dialogues has become the part and parcel of teachers' life during the period of pandemic. The online system has kept us digitally connected but physically separated. The enthusiasm of teaching and the interest of learning has kept our teachers and students motivated to face new challenges on a daily basis. Here we have our talented teachers as little Ranians to entertain you.
59, it's already 5. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you need to check an assignment, ma'am. You need to check the assignment.
Good morning, children. First, we'll have a prayer. After that, I will check the assignment also.
Ma'am, you did not take attendance, ma'am.
We'll do that also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Gun, you're audible also, visible also, Gun.
Okay.
Okay, children. We'll first have our prayer. Who is supposed to say the prayer? Who is going to tell?
Ma'am, I will tell the prayer, ma'am.
Me, ma'am.
Ma'am, never give me one chance, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm ready with the prayer, ma'am.
Okay, all of you keep quiet. Gupchup, since you're sitting silently, you can say the prayer. All of you join your hands and close your eyes. Fast. Come on.
Spirit of God, come down. Spirit of God, rain down. Spirit of God, come into my life. Spirit of God, Spirit of God.
What happened?
Over, ma'am.
Okay,
Over, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so we'll start the class. First, I'll take the attendance and after that, I'll check your assignments. Okay, roll number 1, Chulbul.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Munmun.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Tuntun.
Tuntun, reply. Ma'am is calling you.
Ma'am, I am present, ma'am. My audio was a problem, ma'am.
Okay, I'll mark you also present. Gungun. Gungun? Why are you wearing color dress? Gungun, where's your uniform?
Ma'am. Today is my birthday, ma'am. So I'm wearing color dress, ma'am.
You also.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Mm.
Can I show you something, ma'am?
Mm.
Listen, no, ma'am.
Mm.
I got from her birthday party, ma'am. Last week was her birthday party, ma'am.
She is telling simply, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Today is only my real birthday, ma'am. That happened during my vacations, ma'am. Today is only my real birthday, ma'am.
Holiday birthday. Ma'am.
Yes.
My mother put uniform to wash, ma'am. That's why I wore color dress, ma'am.
Okay, ask your mother not to wash the uniform on weekdays and ask her to wash it on holidays. Next time onwards, I'm not going to excuse anyone. I want everybody to wear proper uniform. I hope I'm
Okay,
clear.
ma'am.
Okay, so we'll
Okay,
check the
ma'am.
assignment
Check my
first. Keep your assignments ready. First, Chulbul will check roll number wise. Chulbul, show your assignment fast.
Ma'am, fully I wrote, ma'am. Wrote very neatly. Everything I colored, everything, ma'am. But ma'am, yesterday I went to my grandfather's house, ma'am. I left the book in my grandfather's house and I came off, ma'am. Ma'am, tomorrow I will submit, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Tomorrow without fail. Munmun, show your assignment.
Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I completed my assignment on the same day and uploaded it in the assignment also, ma'am. Please check my name. It is there, ma'am. I have uploaded. Is it looking nice?
Yeah, nice colors. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I'm copying.
Oh, Tonton, show your assignment.
Ma'am, I did the assignment, ma'am. Coloring I didn't do. My color pencil is broken, ma'am. Tomorrow I will do.
Tomorrow without fail. Gungun, show your assignment. What happened to Gungun? Gungun?
Ma'am, I'm not able to open my video, ma'am. Can I show tomorrow, ma'am? My video is not working, ma'am.
But till now your video was proper. All of a sudden what happened as soon as I asked the assignment?
Sorry, ma'am. It is network problem.
Okay. Tomorrow without fail. Yes, Gupchup, where's your assignment?
Ma'am, actually, I was doing my assignment, ma'am. My brother came and scratched my book, ma'am. So I'll show it to you tomorrow, ma'am.
Why did you give your book to your brother first? Why?
Ma'am, I was writing my assignment, ma'am. He only came and scratched my book, ma'am. So my mother told she will give me another book, ma'am. I'll show it to you tomorrow, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Please.
Okay. Without fail, tomorrow. So only
Yes,
one girl she has shown. Tuntun half. Tuntun you have to color also. And Chulbul, Gupchup and Gungun. Tomorrow without fail. If you three don't show me, you're going to write the assignment 3 times. Hope I'm clear. Okay. So let us learn about the motions of the earth. So today's lesson, it's about the rotation, revolution. And
Ma'am, time up, ma'am. Ma'am, 9:45, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Okay, before we wind up, children, anybody has any doubt? Today what we learned?
No, ma'am.
Just
No,
clarify
ma'am.
the
No
doubt.
doubt, ma'am.
No doubt?
I have
Okay.
doubt, ma'am. I have doubt, ma'am.
Bye,
I have doubt,
Gungun,
ma'am.
what's the doubt, Gungun?
We're looking very pretty, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
love you, ma'am.
I love you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Is it a
I love your
compliment
teaching,
time?
ma'am. I love you.
Anyways, I'll take it as a compliment. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Happy Children's Day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear teachers, for your efforts to present reality and fun of virtual classroom in one act wonderfully. Dance is a divine art form that allows people to express their thoughts and emotions. The Kathak form communicates stories through rhythmic foot movements, hand gestures, facial expressions and eye work. I welcome Miss Shweta KN to render the essence of Kathak.
Like that.
ताज से ताज मिला हो, ताज से ताज मिला, ताज से ताज मिला हो, ताज से ताज मिला।
थैंक यू श्वेता मैम फॉर योर ग्रेसफुल परफॉर्मेंस। बचपन में अक्सर सभी से एक सवाल पूछा जाता है, मुझसे भी कई बार पूछा गया है कि बड़े होकर क्या बनोगे। अब जाकर इस प्रश्न का जवाब मिला है कि फिर से छोटा बच्चा बनना है। बचपन कितना प्यारा होता है, अब हमें समझ आने लगा। It is true that children are the most beautiful creations of God, and a happy childhood is the most fortunate gift in one's life. I welcome Mrs. Asma Banu ma'am to recite a poem on childhood.
बच्चों, बचपन सुंदर है, एक शक्ति तुम्हारे अंदर है। आज एक नई उड़ान तुम भरो, उज्जवल भविष्य और नव भारत का निर्माण तुम करो। तुम नन्हे शरारती मगर सच्चे हो, मासूम चुलबुले मगर सयाने हो। उल्टे पुल्टे तुम्हारे सवाल हमको भी देते हैं आश्चर्य में डाल। नई जोश के साथ नई शुरुआत तुम करो, उज्जवल भविष्य और नव भारत का निर्माण तुम करो। तुम माँ की आंखों के तारे हो, चाचा नेहरू के न्यारे हो, शिक्षक गण के प्यारे हो, इस धरती माँ के दुलारे हो। सबके आशीर्वाद के साथ आगे तुम बढ़ो, उज्जवल भविष्य और नव भारत का निर्माण तुम करो। चाचा नेहरू का जन्मदिन है आया, सुंदर सा संदेश है लाया कि एक शिक्षित सफल स्वच्छ भारत का उत्थान तुम करो, उज्जवल भविष्य और नव भारत का निर्माण तुम करो। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am. You rendered it beautifully.
Every child is different kind of life and all together make this world a beautiful garden. My dear children, today is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you. I believe every child brings more love into this world. I wish that you never give up in your life. Your achievements make us proud. Happy Children's Day to my wonderful students. May God bless you.
Wishing you a happy Children's Day, my dear little ones. Children, you are the creator of your own life. Design it at the best you can. Be a dreamer, be an achiever. Aim high and fly in the sky. Obstacles may be on your way. Turn it out to be a stepping stone and climb the ladder of success. Children, this world is yours. Enjoy every moment of your life and spread happiness wherever you go. All the best, my dear little ones. Once again, wishing you a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Oscar Wilde quoted, "The best way to make children good is to make them happy." Now, I welcome the heroes of Swargrani to entertain you with a performance.
ಕೊಡುವಾಗ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೋ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಶಿವ. ಅವನು ಒಲಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊರಡು ಕೊಂದ್ರಿ ಬಂಗಾರ ಬಾಳವ್ವ. ಅಕ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಯಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಹಾಕವ್ವ ಅಂದವನೇ ಮಾದೇವ. ನೀಡವ್ವ ಕೊಡಗಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ದೇವನಿಗೆ. ತಾಯಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಾಯಿ ಆಗಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ತಾಯಿ, ಲಗ್ನ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ತಾಯಿ, ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಳ ಬಂಗಾರ ತಾಯಿ, ಬೈ ದುಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಳ ಬೂದ್ ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ ಎಂದವನೇ ಮಾದೇವ. ಕೊಡುಗಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ದೇವನಿಗೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಾಯಿ, ಕಂಕಣ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಬರೋ ಕನ್ಯಾಮಣಿ ತಾಯಿ, ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿರಿ ಸಿಂಗಾರ ತಾಯಿ, ಬೈ ದುಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಂಬಾಳು ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ ಎಂದವನೇ ಮಾದೇವ. ಕೊಡುಗಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ದೇವನಿಗೆ ಶುಭವಾಗುತ್ತೈತಮ್ಮೋ, ಶುಭವಾಗುತ್ತೈತಮ್ಮೋ, ಹೆತ್ತೋರ ಪುಣ್ಯವೋ ಮುತ್ತಾಗಿ ಬಂತಮ್ಮೋ, ಮುತ್ತಂತ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ಬಾಗಿಲಿಗೆ ತಂತಮ್ಮೋ, ದೇವರ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಬಂದು ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಶಿವನ ನೆನೆದು ಹಾಗೆ, ಭೂದೇವಿ ಕೈಯ ಚಾಚಿ ಆಕಾಶನ ಮುಟ್ಟೋತಾವು ನೋಡೆ, ಮಾತಾಡವೋ ಲಿಂಗ ಮಾತಾಡವೋ, ಶರಣೆಂದವೋ ಬನವು ಶರಣೆಂದವೋ. ಬನವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಆದೋ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ಮೆಂದೋ, ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ ವಾರುಣ್ಯ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆಯ ನೀಡವು, ಮಾದೇವ್ನ ಅಂತಾರೆ ರಕ್ಷೆಯ ಕೇಳವು, ನೆಚ್ಚಿಯ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕತ್ಲೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಒಟ್ಟು ಆಡೋ.
Thank you, Channappa sir and team, for such a tremendous traditional dance form. Now, here we are at the midst of enjoyment. Childhood is the one story that stands by itself in every soul. It is the little moments in childhood that makes biggest memories. We teachers are blessed enough for being a part of your life. You have no clue how we miss each one of you and being with you. Let's watch what exactly we miss about you.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today, toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name, 'cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Yeah, yeah. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today, toast to the ones that we lost on the way, 'cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back your.
Wow, that was superb. Thank you, Rekha ma'am and team, for bringing our memories back. As we conclude with today's Virtual Children's Day celebration, I would like to call upon Pranati of PU2 to deliver a word of thanks.
Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Tanya. We are greatly encouraged by your gracious presence and immensely benefited by your inspiring address. Thank you, sister. I express a deep sense of gratitude to our respected manager, Reverend Sister Immaculate. It's your vision and leadership that has brought glory to our institution. Thank you, sister. With deep reverence and gratitude, I would like to thank our Vice Principal, Mrs. Namita ma'am, and our Cultural Committee Head, Mrs. Hema ma'am, for their tireless efforts to make this program a grand success. And finally, I would like to thank all my teachers for their contributions and efforts to make our day a special one. It's your love and affection towards us brought out as music, dance, and skit for entertaining us. We promise you that we will make you feel proud of us. Thank you once again.
Happy Children's Day to our lovely